I wanted to go over the media album so that you know exactly what to expect. I don't love how it's set up, but we're gonna figure it out. So the instructions are here, and it says take a picture or pictures of everyday objects in your home or outside. These pictures should include at least 3 Chapter 1 geometry terms and should include annotations and drawings. When you submit your picture, put a sentence in the caption that explains how the photo relates to our course vocabulary. There are several examples uploaded by your teacher. Check them out before you begin. So this one here I did, and it has two planes in the picture. So I said there are two planes pictured. They are parallel. They will never overlap. They should be named using 3 non-collinear points. Mrs. C. So just because I didn't have the non-collinear points and things in here, I know that the directions told me that I needed 3 vocab words. So I wanted to just do as many vocab words as I possibly could think of related to my picture. When you add something to the media album, I don't love how it looks. So this might be a little bit different for you, because when my kids were doing this on their iPad, they can do the caption before they hit add media, but it's a little bit different on a computer. So if we wanted to attach a file, I have another little picture here, which I'm really excited about. We're going to add the media. Oh, that didn't happen to me the other time that I did that. So, oh my goodness. That was a mess. Okay, so in the event that that happens and you're like, what the heck's happening? Oh my gosh, that picture's there and I don't know what to do. And it doesn't have a caption, and Mrs. Kavanaugh said it needed a caption. Click on it. You should be able to do this. So I'm going to say edit caption. Oh, look at how cute that is. So I found this clothespin, which I have just like right here. Put it back where it belongs. And I will say something like, this clothespin shows an angle, an acute angle. Oh my goodness. An acute angle less than 90 degrees. It has the points marked, and the point at the corner is called a vertex. Okay, so I'm not necessarily, I mean, just because the picture says something and, I don't have the vocab on the picture, your caption's where it's at, okay? And then I just put Mrs. C on there because I think if you hover over, it says that it's added by me, but I just think it's easier to see it in the caption. So hit save. And you should be able to go back to the media album there. So now we see this, and we can click on them, and it's going to be really cute and whatever, and I'm really excited. But if you have any questions or if anything's acting funky, please let me know.